Hello, I'm happy to show you my GraphQL project. The main goals of this project was first for me to discover GraphQL and Node.js, then also to make an application that enables a user to see another user's pending changes in real time, like Microsoft Office or Google Documents. And finally, to replace Redux with Apollo client for the application state management. On the front end, I used React, Apollo client, Bootstrap, Webpack, and Typescript. On the back end, I used Node.js, Apollo Server, Yoga, Sequelize, and SQL Server. Let's start the presentation. On the left side, I logged in with Alban, and on the right side, I logged in as Joe. There is a user list on both screens, and we create a new user. You can call her Jane and username Jennifer. And you can see on the right side on the John screen that changed. Let's change the username. We have to leave the input field to send the data to the server, and there is Jennifer Aniso on the right screen now. Let's create a new user. Login, look, and username Lucas, and again on the right side we can see the change. We have to leave the input field, and we have Lucas on the username. Let's change the username, but this time we have a conflict, and the single page tells us that we have a conflict. Let's see another sample. This time we will enter data in a spreadsheet. There is a spreadsheet list with two spreadsheets. We can change the comment field and replace my comment with my comment 2, for instance. My comment 2. We have to leave the input field to send the data, and we have the change on the right side. Let's enter the input form on John's screen, and let's change a cell, the first cell. We can enter a dummy number, for instance 44444, and we can see the change on the left side. Finally, let's see how it works with the React Apollo client DevTools. I'm logged in with Alban user, and we can see the cache with two objects, in particular user1 and user token 1. Indeed, when I logged in, I use a connection. I use a mutation connect with login and password, and this mutation returned me an access token, and a user object. Let's see now the GraphQL schema published by the GraphQL server with queries, and also mutations. In this mutation list we can see the connect mutation, and subscriptions. The server uses subscriptions to tell the client when an object has been changed. Let's move to the user list that will load many objects on the cache. That's done. In this object list we can see the user object, user1, that represents the database object before modification. We have a pending input modification object. It comes from the server also with the pending modification, username with 22244 and 6. If we change it to add 77 on the username, we can see the change in the cache. And the last object is the client input pending modification object. This object is only on the client side, and we have in real time the modifications, the changes in the cache. I can finish with showing you a query, a GraphQL query. This query gives us in one query a user and the pending modifications. We can change one parameter to ask for user2, and it will give us the results. Thank you for watching this video.